channel Akshatha's Life. Let's learn it my way. Today we are going to do something really very different. I hope you all would have guessed by seeing the title. So let's dive right into the video. But before that, like, share, comment, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button. So let's go on to the video. Today we are going to test viral TikTok life hack videos. Let's see the first hack. Oh, as you all saw, the first one is very interesting. So let's try and see, does the hack work? So we have few printouts here. Let's spray it with perfume. And then put it in the water for 3 minutes. Now it has been 3 minutes. Spray perfume on the spot where you want to apply your tattoo. Spray perfume again on the printout. Now press it and open. After a minute, let's check that did the hack work. Okay guys, it worked. I'm shocked, it really worked. So clean the extra with a tissue. So as you can see, the first hack really worked, and I expected that it won't work because a tattoo won't come so easily. So the first hack is worked and I give a thumbs up to it. So guys, the first hack worked and I was really impressed with that. So let's move on to the second one. So let's go watch out the video. So guys, as you all saw the video, it's to make the balloons bounce better. So even I feel bad that the balloons don't bounce as I expect. After putting the tape, it bounces, so even I want to try it. So first, take a balloon and blow it. So guys, as you can see, this is the way the balloon bounces. So let's put tape and see, does it really bounce higher? So I have have finished putting the tape, and I don't think by just putting a tape it will bounce higher. So I think that you all remember how the normal balloon bounce. So let's check out with this. I can't see that much difference. As you all can also see, let's test with the ordinary one. Okay. So it's almost the similar, not much. So I give a thumbs down and a thumbs up both. So as you all saw, the second hack didn't work so well. It was not even a failure and not even a success. So let's move on to the third hack. So let's see what's the third hack. So as you all saw, it's a party popper, and so for that we need a cardboard roll, balloon and paper. So first cut the balloon at the top. And then take the cardboard roll and the balloon, put the balloon on the cardboard roll like this and secure it with tape. So secure it nicely with the tape so that when you pull it, it doesn't come out. So after putting the tape, don't forget to tie the end, otherwise the papers will come out. So after tying it, cut few papers in tiny pieces. So here we have the cut pieces of the paper. Let's put them into the cardboard roll. You can put as much you want. So now let's try does it work, and I think it will work. So I'm going to pop it. Okay guys, it really worked and the full table got messy. So it worked. I give it a thumbs up. So it really worked and there are a few more pieces inside. So it's an actual party popper and I give it as a thumbs up. So guys, as you all saw, the third hack was very successful and very worth than spending to buy all those party poppers, and it was very easy to make it in house in less money, and also it's a very big mess all over me, and so if I give it a thumbs up, a lot of thumbs up, because it was a very beautiful experience. So let's go on to the fourth hack and let's see what the fourth hack is. So as you all saw, it's the hack how to repair a phone using toothpaste and rice. So I don't think it will work just of toothpaste and rice. So let's see how to do it. For that you need a cracked phone over here as I have. And then it's fully cracked. Take the toothpaste and put it on the cracked phone. Spread it over like as I'm doing. Shabby. Okay, so then put rice on top of it. And then leave it in the Ziploc bag for 24 hours. So here, as you all can see, it's inside the Ziploc bag. So let's see, does it work after 24 hours? Okay guys, it has been 24 hours and I don't think that it's gonna really work. So let's see, does it work? The smell so bad. So here, as you can see, so let's wipe it and see, and I don't think it will work. Has it? Okay guys, nothing worked. And there's only toothpaste inside the cracks and I'm not able to wipe it. So it's a thumbs down because the cracks are like that and I was already sure that it won't work just of a toothpaste and rice. So it's however a fail, thumbs down. So guys, as you all saw, some hacks worked and some didn't work. But then it was really fun to make this video. If you want me to make more videos like this, let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Akshu's Life. So until next time, it's bye from Akshatha.